Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Abi Bakr radiyallahu anhu states that the people of the platform were destitute. Once Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whoever has food for 2 people should take third from them. Whoever has food enough for 4 people should take the 5th or 6th from them." Or whatever he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu took 3 people, whereas Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam took 10 people. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu had 3 people. Hazrat Abdul Rahman said, "They comprised me, my father and my mother." The reporter says that he does not remember whether he said, "and my wife and a servant who worked in my as well as Hazrat Abu Bakr's houses." Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu took dinner with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and then stayed there until he performed the Isha prayer. He then resumed his stay there till he sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to sleep. When as much session of the night passed as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu willed, Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu came. His wife said to him, "What detained you from coming to your guests?" Or she said, "From your guests." Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, "Haven't you served them meal?" She replied, "They refused to eat the meal unless you came." The meal was served, but they did not accept it, and we were overwhelmed by them. Hazrat Abdul Rahman says, "Quite frightened, I went and hid myself away." Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, "O stupid, may your nose be mutilated." And he rebuked me and said to the guest, "Eat it, may it not be pleasant." And said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will never eat it." Hazrat Abdul Rahman says, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, when we took a morsel, the food would excessively increase underneath it until we all got satiated, and the food got more than it was before. When Hazrat Abu Bakr looked at the food, it was as much as it was before serving or even more." Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said to his wife, "O Banu Firas, sister, what is it?" She said, "By the coolness of my eyes, it is now 3-fold of the former food." Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu then consumed of the food and said, "My oath for not consuming food was from the Satan." He took a morsel from it. Then he took the rest of the food to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and that food remained with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam till the morning. Between us and a people there was a peace treaty which had expired. Then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam appointed 12 officers, and every one of them was accompanied by a group of people. Only Allah Jalla Jalaluhu knows their number. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent that food along with them, and all of them ate of that food. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5333.